Sold to new owners in 1963, the Bugatti automotive business went defunct before being revived in the early 1990s, resulting in two distinct eras. Both feature some of the fastest and most opulent cars of their day. Keep watching to learn more about history's top Bugatti vehicles and why the brand has such a storied reputation. 1991 to 1995 Bugatti Eb-110. After multiple attempts at reviving the brand, Bugatti was acquired in 1987 by an Italian entrepreneur. The first modern Bugatti was unveiled in 1991 as a world-beating mid-engine supercar. It featured massive air intakes, active aerodynamics, and a small horseshoe design in the front grille, an homage to the Type 35B. Those large intakes fed air to a V12 with 4 turbochargers. It made 553 horsepower in GT trim and 603 horsepower in the Super Sports model. Power was routed to all 4 wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. The Eb-110 had a claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.4 seconds and a top speed of 212.5 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars in the world at the time. 2005 to 2015 Bugatti Veyron 16.4. That initial revival would only last until the end of the Eb-110's production run in 1995. The brand was then acquired by the Volkswagen Group in 1998 and the iconic Veyron 16.4 debuted for the 2005 model year. Featuring an 8-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, this put out 987 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. The Veyron featured an opulent cabin with world-class craftsmanship and plush upholstery and was capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 2.46 seconds on the way to a top speed of 253 miles per hour. Bugatti developed a super sports model with 1,184 horsepower and revised aerodynamics, helping it achieve a world record top speed of 267.856 miles per hour in 2010. It would hold that record until it was surpassed by the Koenigsegg Agera RS in 2017. When first introduced, the Veyron commanded a starting price of $1.9 million. The Super Sports fetched $2.4 million. 2016 to 2022 Bugatti Chiron. Given its superlative performance and luxury, the Veyron would be a hard act to follow, but the Chiron delivered. Like the Veyron, it features a quad turbocharged W16, but puts out 1,497 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic routes power to a Haldex all-wheel drive system. The Chiron can rocket from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in just 2.4 seconds and has a top speed that's electronically limited to 261 miles per hour. Bugatti says the Chiron could theoretically exceed 300 miles per hour, but it's limited by today's tire technology. The 2022 Chiron costs $3.3 million. 300 of the planned 500 models have been built, with many constructed as stunning special editions. 2019 Bugatti La Voiture Noir. Imagine a modern Bugatti hypercar take on the classic Type 57 SC Atlantic, and you have La Voiture Noir, the black car. It's a one-off achievement of coach building and engineering. It looks like a more dramatic version of a Chiron with touches that allude to the Atlantic, such as the spine along the body. It employs Bugatti's W16 quad-turbo engine, putting out 1,497 horsepower. La Voiture Noir uses plenty of carbon fiber and handcrafted components to create a distinctive look. It became the most expensive car in the world when it sold for more than $18 million in 2019. 2021 Bugatti Devo. Where La Voiture Noir was a luxurious grand touring hypercar, the Devo is a focused and ferocious track-ready machine. Named for 1920s Bugatti racing driver Albert Devo, it is based on the Chiron, but with largely reworked body panels. It features a large fixed wing, aircraft-style NACA ducts, and a large dorsal fin, which is a feature found in World Endurance Championship prototype cars. In addition to the standout, functional styling, Bugatti has removed sound deadening, replaced Alcantara surfaces with carbon fiber, and features a lighter sound system. All told, it's 77 pounds lighter than the Chiron Sport. Considering the Chiron Sport weighs 4,359 pounds, that's hardly a drop in the bucket. Luckily, the stiffer springs and advanced all-wheel drive system help the Devo seemingly defy the laws of physics around a racetrack. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.